So here is the TOMMEE TIPPEE GoPrep Hot and Cold Flask Formula Maker Kit. This kit will make formula on the go without any hassle or stress. You can store up to 8 scoops of formula within the milk powder dispenser, ensuring that your little one won't go hungry whilst you enjoy a day out. It has a solid build, but that doesn't stop it from being portable and easy to carry with you. The digital display and temperature reader helps you to gauge the moment the milk is ready for your baby. When the digital star is blue, the feed is at the perfect temperature and ready for you to pour into the baby's bottle. You can be sure to know if it's too hot, as the star display will either be amber or red. The process is really simple. All you need to do is pour the hot boiled water, the milk powder, and that goes into the cooling flask. You twist the digital lid on and then you shake. The formula will be at the correct temperature in just 2 minutes, helping you to feed your baby quickly and safely.